It's my reverse osmosis marathon motor here. Those are the details, the model number. Here's the system I have. 2 filters, 2 reverse osmosis filters, 3 on the bottom here. I just replaced this pump in the back. This rotary vane pump is brand new. Reconnected everything, and the same problems persist, which is when I turn it on, I don't understand. It's just making a humming noise. I opened it up. I opened up the entire thing and took it apart. Made sure that the internal mechanism is spinning fine. There was grease. Everything was spinning fine. I checked the connector to make sure that there was nothing blocking the connection from being made. I rubbed it with a file, metal file, to make sure that there's no, like blockage there. I just don't understand why. Put it back together the same way it was before. The wires are all in the right place. As far as I know, I took a video record of everything, and it's still making a humming noise. No idea what's going on.